Friday to all traders, and welcome to this Thursday's Market Insights video on US stocks. Today I'm going to analyze Facebook, Amazon, and Google because we have the earnings report delivered later in the day, and it's very important to know where we are, at least ahead of the corporate earnings are out. Now, yesterday also was an important day for those CEOs running their companies because all big tech actually had their CEOs testifying in Congress. Well, for many different issues, each one of them, to be honest, antitrust, competition. So the good news, and that's why actually we saw all equities actually rising as well as the specific stocks. The subcommittee does not really have authority to take enforcement action against these companies for the moment, but obviously they will probably seek to make changes to antitrust laws. Until then, though, we are still poised to move higher, as the early waves also indicate on all of those. Some of them have a bigger upside room to extend to, some others not. Now, the important thing is that we also had Fed yesterday, right? And they decided to keep rates low as well as increase liquidity, extend liquidity facilities. And that is what is pushing equities in general, global equities, higher at the moment. Now, before, of course, as I said, the corporate earnings is very important to particularly look at those three share prices and try to identify or analyze actually, potential scenarios going forward. Now, when I start with Facebook, no particular reason. I think Facebook is actually done its way forward down here in the primary degree, and we are moving up impulsively, okay, since we've got this wave one actually not being penetrated by wave C as well, right? We are heading higher into wave 3. Now, with the RSI, the momentum, sorry, a MACD showing two signals. One very big long-term upside move, which is supporting our analysis, and a short-term decline, which is also supporting analysis. For wave 3 to go over around the 161 extension of waves 1, 2, and 3, of waves 1 and 2, sorry, around the 300 barrier. Okay, now in the minor degree, we are still in wave 4. Okay, so we've done 1, 2, we've done 3. 4 is an expanded flat, and it's either that we have had 5 over here, but I doubt, to be honest, and then we're going to see an ABC for another move to the upside, which is going to mean that wave 3 is here. But I doubt that is the case because we really want to see, usually wave 3 is the largest wave, so we want to see that extended to over 100%, at least to the 1618, right? So for that reason, I believe that we are moving in an impulse here, and currently we are in a correction. This is going to be an ABC. Well, it could be a triangle, it could be anything, to be honest. Usually triangles are seen in wave 4 though. So ABC and then 3, 4, and 5 to take out the 300 and also wave 3. Then we're going to see another correction for wave 4 in the intermediate degree, and then we move higher to potentially also take the 200 Fibonacci. Let's just see where that is. Well, around the 340, okay, where wave 5 could perhaps end, and that is also going to be primary wave 5. And from here, we can perhaps start looking for prices to really correct with a nice dip, right? Now, Amazon, 4 hours again. We've done wave 4 in the primary degree as well with an ending, with a triangle pattern. Okay, since then we've done 1, 2, yeah, and 3 in the intermediate degree, because in the minor, I mean, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 in the minor, and we'll have a fifth ending diagonal, corrective ending diagonal that took out the 3350 or so and ended intermediate wave 3. Now, due to the structure I'm looking at here, right, this is an ABC. I believe this is going to be W, X, and Y. The short-term upside is supported by MACD, which means that we're probably going to see an ABC over here, anywhere near to the 33.53, but this would be the invalidation level. In case we cross above, then wave 4 probably ended here, okay? Anyway, I'm looking at X and then another ABC, so this is going to be a double zigzag for wave, intermediate wave 4. Now, we could see 4 and 4 waves here creating double bottom if we retrace down to the 61.8 extension around 2280, okay? If not, well, we are perhaps going to go to the top of wave 3. That will make this move a little bit more impulsive, okay, to the upside around 2487, or something even more bullish, the 2690 with 38.2 Fibonacci. Okay, now the validation to move further up would be probably the break of this move to the of the high, okay, all-time high around 3400s. And last, let's have a quick look on Google. Google finished and third and fourth wave in the primary degree, and we'll have another move to the upside that seems to be impulsive, okay. We still only done wave 1. It's similar to the Facebook's pattern, but I think we have more upside room over here, and we're a little bit back in terms of the correction. So I'm looking at 1, 2, 3 expanded flat, 4 and 5 with wave 1 taken out. Due to the structure of this move, I see this as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that will be A. We're gonna get B. We're gonna get C. Down at wave 4, perhaps between the 38.2 and 50 Fibonacci extension, which is where we're expecting wave 2 to come down to, and then shoot higher for wave 3, 4 and 5, which is where the primary degree 5 also is going to end. Now these guys, we're looking at, well, wave 3 around the 1940, and wave 5 we could literally go up to the 2163. So this is really looking bullish in the longer term, okay. And the thing to pay attention though is to get a valid signal for an ending correction, because the moment this correction ends, then this is a very good buy opportunity, because wave 3 is usually the largest. So the extension to 1942 is very likely.